What's up, guys? My name is Jerry. I'm the owner of SanctifiedSupplyCo.com, and today I'm going to show you how I print a sleeve on a hoodie. Alright, so I've tried to use the web adhesive, I've tried the Super Tack, the liquid adhesive, and this is what I find works best for the hoodies. These thick hoodies, you're going to have to reapply this in between each sweatshirt, but this is the thing that I found works the best. Just apply it lightly. And I take the hoodie and I apply through the neck. See, this is the hood right here. I go right through the neck and I pull it right up to where I want it. Now it's important that you have consistency, so I have this little tape line that I pull my sleeve right down to where it touches that, and then I look for this crease line right here and I keep that lined up, and I kind of feel with my fingers underneath here for the seam, and I just want that to be in the same spot every time. Get it pressed down nice and firm to your platen, and then we're going to go ahead and pre-flood the screen, and then we're going to print. Now, clear the screen. Looks like I could have used a tiny bit more tack, but that's nice and clean. Bring it over here, flash it for a few seconds. You don't want to over flash it because you want your second coat to adhere to the first coat. Go ahead and do another little, really light. You want to really lightly pre-flood. You don't want to be pushing it through the screen. Now go ahead and clear it. That looks nice. All right, super clean. Here, I'll give you a close-up. Try to hold this as stable as I can. You see everything nice and crisp. That turned out nice. All right, now this may be the most helpful part of this whole video. So to get this off the platen can be kind of tricky. So what I did is I actually took one of my scrapers that I used to spread my liquid, my palette glue, and I taped this scraper onto this side, onto my T-square actually, and I taped another scraper so that the T-square is not going to scrape the inside of the hoodie or the platen. Now just check it out. I'll just show you what I do. So I take this and I put it right inside the sleeve, and I put some tension back towards me, and I push this down the sleeve, and it releases it nice and clean. And then I'm able to just pull the sweatshirt loose, just like that. All right, now I'll show you how I put the hoodie on the dryer. So this is, I think this is a 2 or a 3X hoodie, and I only have a 24-inch wide dryer. What I do is I lay it there. You want to be real careful if you don't flash this after you print the second print, which I don't, because I don't want to, honestly, it's time saving, and also I don't want to heat my platen up that much. What I do is I just fold it on there nice. What I do is I take this and I hold it from off the platen, and I put that there, and then I take this part, fold it in, hold it down, because you don't want this standing up too high, and then I just take the hoodie and I lay it over, whichever way it's going to lay the flattest, and I lay it over, and then there you go. She's off. All right, there you have it, guys. That's how I print a sleeve on a hooded sweatshirt. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Maybe you want to share how you do it, what works well for you. Also, like this video if you found any value in it, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. All right, take care, guys. Thanks.